Hey everyone, is your iPhone updated with the latest beta version iOS 27.0 beta 3? How do you roll backs on iOS, unsigned iOS or signed iOS? So, without losing any data, is it possible? So, firstly, we will tap on a setting 2, of course. We will come to general and we will check it out that is your iPhone recommending to a downgrade or not? What's iOS is currently working and how do you, without losing any data? All the apps and application would be especially, yes, installed with especially without losing any data. iOS would be only one changed or downgraded. So we will tap on HP Slam software update and we can see the clearly here guys that iOS 27.0 3 beta version. So we don't have any opportunity to downgrade. So in that condition we will go for an administration, that is a 3U tool, and by using a 3U tool easily without losing in data we can downgrade either it is assigned or unsigned. So firstly we would like to come with the signed iOS, so we will tap on a smart flash 2, of course. We will click on a firmware, and when we tap on a firmware guys, now that we can see clearly here iOS, these all are especially so latest here green dot, that is a 26.5 a signed version that you can downgrade it guys. If we tap to a download directly, it will be a downloaded, and after downloading of course we will go for the further state. Unsigned iOS, so that we can clearly see that we would like to go with the especially 18.5 right now. So this is a unsigned iOS here. Yes, we can click on here to a downgrade within one click, so guys here. If it taps this would be a downloaded. So let's download it. So now it has started to a download, that is the unsigned version. So firstly, let's have the practical with this especially. How do you do that? This unsigned versions. Signed version is a very simple formula, guys, that we will tap on a especially easy flash and whatever the iOS that is latest 26 point is especially 6.1 beta version or 26.5.2. if you would like to compare the especially this downgraded from the 27s to there, then directly we can download. After downloading we will have to like the retain user data. Retain user data means there you are not going to lose the any apps and application file, the folder, and the redundant files, especially everything would be especially yeah, similar and updated with especially only one iOS, except all the apps and application would be continuously installed automatically. So right now we will select the retain user data, and after selection we will go for the flash, and here directly if we clicks on 27 to especially 26.5 point especially 2 iOS would be especially. If we tap on here, then this would be, but unsigned right now. So unsigned means here just this iOS is especially asking especially to the complete 20 or 10 minutes. So the before installation it, yes, this will give you error guys. So for fixation of that error, just we will go for this, send this file. So now that it has been raised on here, just we will go in especially profile and go for installation it if you want to, and after installation it, then yes, we will come in especially here, and we can see it is still downloading. So let's have a especially directly from the local firmware, and I would like to show you that any unsigned iOS how do you especially guys with live demo. Now there will be no restriction guys here. Yes, we will come in especially now just to see I have kept on here. Now suppose this is 16.7 points this one. So now without verification we have imported. Now we will go with this especially. So now we can see clearly guys 27.0 3 beta version 2 especially we can be raised on especially 16.7.16. Within one clicks we will be able to especially if we tap on here, this would be directly and without any restrictions this would be installed from 27s to especially 16.7 points, especially 16 hours. But right now we would like to come with especially these hours guys. So just a little bit I will have to have the more wait a more times guys, and after waiting then we will go for biosimilars. So video would be lengthy, guys, so this is all about in this video tutorial. Do a similar strategy, and any kinds of the confusion and the query you will have, any issues comes, any error comes, and then of course drop the query in the comment box, so the pleasure would be mine to reply your query, guys. So hi, this is technological friend, would be back with a step by step with new tutorial. So don't forget to join this tutorial, don't forget to join this channel, so guys, for the further updates. I'm sorry. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, guys. Bye bye.